What is up, guys? Gamer game. What's up, guys? Gamer game. I want to be back playing some Overwatch. Well, I can't say back. This is my first episode of done with it. Okay, we're leaving the game. Anyway, I have the jump cut fireworks. So I got it legit. Just like before.
Now arriving at Mijang Town.
Like just before I started the video. If you want to open videos, open boxes in videos, let me know. This is just me so that bit of lag and can't help it. It's only Unity. It's a bit single longer. You have to edit the video and then we've got my friends. If this is the first video you've seen by me, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to have a one-to-one conversation with me, or not maybe one-to-one, put it in the comment section down below. I like this video, and then I will try to reply to as many lucky, say, 100 of you. The lucky 100. Yeah, the lucky 100 will get to meet me in person. I will say thanks, and then use it. In my first round of videos, I did it to the very person who did it. It was my cousin Joe. We're doing Capture the Booster. I think they did last day to do it. So we're going to hopefully get the game in.
I am ready.
Mama. So, who the hell someone was? Oh, Jump Crafty. Yeah, someone's over. My God. Oh, I'm trying so hard. I'm trying to like really copy the voice and then actually capture it. I think if I post the next year, actually, because they oh wait, and it belongs to somewhere. It is now dead. That was good. That. Anyway. I'm gonna start. I say no. No. Diesel or elevated. Diesel or elevated. Now, fine. No thanks. If you are watching the video, highly doubt you probably are going to well, yes, thank you, because I don't even know people. My friends over just found out I have a YouTube channel, but very strange, I think, and I think I have to watch the video one on top of it. Because it's like, step and do this thing. 5 versus 1, and then I have step views, and then I'm like, not what you have. And what are the videos? My people don't want 15-minute video 30 times. But 25 times. And they watch 2 minutes of videos 25 times and to be honest, 25 minute live. 15-minute video. Oh, Bastione. Oh, that Nina. Oh, wait. I'm not surprised at Bastion. I need to get in there and help Bastion. Melt. I like to melt people. I don't know if you like to melt people in the concept. Do you like to melt people? I didn't do it.
Right.
If you do so, I do.
Teleporter
A big
online.
teleporter, I said, and people hurt me. Come on, my son. Oh my god, my thing's dead. I captured it. Come on, guys, team, hold up. Stand,
There is still
stand.
much to be done. I will shield them.
Stand.
Tough mind me to stay off your back.
Go on, you're free. Hands up. Hands up.
Tactical visor activated.
Party, the arrow, party, party. It's sort of really tension enemy to say any YouTuber that isn't Sunday, please find out to your house. It will be a honor.
My teleporter is offline. The ring is closed.
Ooh,
Has captured
not saying
score.
I am saying I am the most normal person in the world. No, I can't do it. That's nice. Wasting like 2 times on nerves. Don't mind walking away.
Sentry was
And
destroyed.
you healthy will have. Slowly. I painfully dead. I feel like the opposite to the camera where they walk through their own soul. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. Go on, go on, go on, release that.
A momentary lapse.
We've got around 2 minutes left. It's 1 ball. I don't know, I hate when it goes. The lady, I think it's bad, but it's wrong, not bad. You draw first as someone. You're still first. You know what I mean? You draw second, you're still second. It doesn't mean another person, it doesn't mean that the person is getting better than you. I mean, you're equal to the person who drew you. And if that person is like your best friend, I sound like some really cheesy.
Oh, they're taking the objective. We should probably stop that. Oh, I pobrecita.
The enemy has captured. Score 1-2. Match flag draw.
Okay, it's
60
2-1.
seconds remaining.
I've never had to be town.
Enemy flag
No, giving me killing me trying to flag. That's what I'm
It's
saying.
not complete.
Objective is
He said
compromised.
that.
Let's clear it out.
If we just
enemy has taken.
We lost.
Defeat.
Right. Right, sadly, this will be the end of today's video. I know it's a short one, you just 15-minute videos, or I made a video of 15. But anyway, I'll see you next episode. Bye. Whatever. Have a good day.